You guys, Rast here with a quick service update about the Rampage. Let's get right into it. We recently sent out quite a few boards from our first batch of Rampages, and almost immediately one of our San Diego riders came back and said he was having a small issue with the hardware on the board. Let me show you exactly what he's talking about, because we've discovered this affects all of the Rampages that we've sent out, and let's talk about what it is and what we're going to do about it. On the deck, there are 8 thread inserts, a hardware piece here inserted into the deck, and a bolt goes through, and that's what secures the battery box to the thread insert. Now, that's a really cool way of doing it because you've only got one screw to go into there instead of messing with hardware on both sides. However, it seems like the manufacturer of the deck has switched the hardware on us between when we originally made all the prototypes and this production batch. So unfortunately, the quality of the thread inserts used is not the same, and that's causing some issues. Let me show you how. So what you'll see here, there's a gap in this battery box. That's because this thread insert has broken and the bolts come out this one as well. So 2 of these have broken already on a rather new board. Let me show you why. These were the thread inserts. Get a close-up on that. These were the thread inserts used on our prototypes and what we thought we were going to get on all the boards. These are the ones that were actually used by the deck manufacturer. So we're very unhappy about that. This just doesn't cut it. So we have sent out boards, quite a few boards with this thread insert already. If you've already got the board, huge apologies for this oversight. We're absolutely furious about these thread inserts. But what we're going to do is get kits of the proper thread insert reinforced, as well as a video of how to change these out, so that if you do encounter this issue of the thread insert breaking, you'll be able to swap these in and make sure your board is performing the way it was designed. For everybody else who has not received a board yet, whether you are in wave 1 or wave 2, what we're going to do is swap those thread inserts for you. We're going to redo the deck hardware so that you get the proper thread insert that will hold up over long-term use of the board. So if you're waiting on a board, we're going to do them in the warehouse here. We'll change out all the thread inserts. Wave 2, we actually recalled it. It was about to ship out to us. We actually recalled that, and the factory is redoing these thread inserts with the proper ones, and those are about to go out as well with the new ones. They've already been redone. So again, huge apologies for this oversight in the supply chain. We are going to make this right to you guys. Thread inserts, we're sorting those out for you guys, and if you already got the board, please hang tight. We're air shipping the new thread inserts over. We'll get that video together and send you out the thread inserts, as well as a couple extra belts for your board as well. We apologize for the inconvenience. So again, big thanks for your support and your patience with this new product, guys. It is our dream to make these best boards out there, and with your help, we're going to do that. Hang tight for those new thread inserts. They'll be in the mail very soon, and keep an eye on that. Ride safe in the meantime.